Good morning, children. This is your NAVEEN sir, maths teacher of KAKATIYA Public School. Yesterday we discussed about the triangles and its properties. Today we will do some problems. Here, find the value of x in the given triangle. So this is a triangle. The triangle name is PQR. So the triangle name is PQR. So this is a right angle triangle. The right angle at P, and here the angle R is x and angle Q is 40 degrees. So we have to find the value of x, nothing but angle R. So solution. So PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. PQR is a right angled triangle. So angle P is 90 degrees. Angle Q is 40 degrees and angle R is x. X value we have to find out. So here in triangle PQR we know that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degrees. This is called as a angle sum property of a triangle. So let us substitute the angles. Angle P is 90 degrees plus angle Q is 40 degrees plus angle R, nothing but x, is equals to 180 degrees. Now we should add 90 plus 40 is 130 degrees plus x is equals to 180 degrees. Now 130 transpose to RHS side, then x is equals to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. Then x value 50 degrees. So here second problem, find the values of x and y in the given triangle. So this is a triangle. The triangle is EFG. So the angle E is y, angle F is x, and angle G is also x. So the exterior angle in the given, this is 90 degrees. So this angle and y angle, it has a one relation. What is the relation? Here two lines are intersecting, then the angles are formed opposite to each other at the point of intersection. Then these two angles are called as a vertically opposite angles. So here solution, y is equals to 90 degrees, which like since vertically opposite angles, angles are equal. So angle y is equals to 90 degrees. So now in triangle EFG, angle E plus angle F plus angle G is equals to 180 degrees. Nothing but angle sum property of a triangle. So now angle E is nothing but y plus angle F is nothing but x plus angle G is nothing but x is equals to 180 degrees. Now angle y we know how much, 90 degrees. So let us substitute in the place of y 90 degrees plus x. We should add the variables. It is 2x is equals to 180 degrees. Now 2x is equals to 90 transpose to that side, then 180 minus 90 degrees. Then 2x is equals to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degrees. Now x is equals to 90 degrees by 2. So it is a multiplying, 2 is multiplying LHS side, then it will transpose to RHS side, it will divide. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, remaining 1. Then 2 fives are 10. Then x value is 45 degrees. Y value is 90 degrees and x value is 45 degrees. So y is 90 degrees and x value is 45 and this is also 45. So 45 plus 45, 90 degrees and plus 90 degrees. So sum of three. Third problem, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Then we have to find out the angles. So we don't know the angles. These three, the triangle has three angles. The three angles they given in the ratio. The ratio is what? 1:2:3. So solution. The ratio of three angles of triangle is equals to 1:2:3. So we don't know the ratio. So let the three angles be x, 2x and 3x. Say we have to assume. So using with variable, this 1 into x, 2 into x, 2x, 3 into x, 3x. We have to assume as these are angles. Now we know that sum of three angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So sum of these three angles we have to add. X plus 2x plus 3x is equals to 180 degrees. Now let us add x plus 2x, 3x. 3x plus 3x total 6x is equals to 180 degrees. So now x is equals to 180 degrees by 6. Now we have to do the cancellation. 6 ones are 6 threes are 18, remaining 0. Then x value is 30 degrees. So this is the x is one of the angle of a triangle. Now next 2x. So this is a first angle. This is a first angle and 2x. 2x is nothing but this is the second angle. Second angle 2x. Then 2 into x value 30 degrees. So in the place of x we have to substitute 30 degrees. So is equals to 32 is 60 degrees. Now third angle. So third angle is 3x. So 3 into, in the place of x again we have to substitute 30 degrees. So 3 into 30 is equals to 90 degrees. So these three angles are x is 30 degrees, 2x is 60 degrees, 3x is 90 degrees. So 30 plus 60, 90. 90 plus 90, 180. So it is equal to sum of three angles 180 degrees. Fourth problem. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC and angle A is equals to 30 degrees and angle B is equals to 50 degrees. Find the values of X, Y and Z. So this is a triangle ABC. So this DE is parallel to BC. This DE is parallel to BC. Here angle B is 50 degrees, angle C is Z, angle E is X, angle D is Y and angle A 30 degrees. So we have to find out the values X, Y, Z. So here solution, already given DE is parallel to BC and so here DE is parallel to BC and if we take DB as a transversal line, angle Y is equals to 50 degrees. These according to these two angles are corresponding angles. So the corresponding angle is nothing but same side of the transversal line. One is exterior and one interior and they should not be adjacent angle, then they are said to be corresponding angles. So here DB is transversal line, transversal transversal line. Then y is equals to 15 degrees since corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles. Since corresponding angles are equal. So now we know this value and we know this value. In triangle ADE, we know angle A, angle D. So sum of three angles is equals to 180 degrees. In these three angles, two angles we know. Then third angle easily we can find. So in triangle ADE, angle A plus angle D plus angle E is equals to 180 degrees. So angle A already they given 30 degrees plus angle D is Y plus angle E is X is equals to 180 degrees. So 30 degrees plus, in the place of Y, how much we can write? 50 degrees we can write, plus X is equals to 180 degrees. So 30 plus 15, 80 degrees. So plus X is equals to 180 degrees. Now X is equals to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees. Then X is equals to 100 degrees. Now we got X value and Y value. Now we have to find out the Z value. So here only they given DE is parallel to BC. So in this situation DB as a transversal we took. Now we have to find out this angle. Using this angle, this angle find out. So now I am taking EC as a transversal line. So these two are parallel and EC as a transversal line, and EC is a transversal line. EC is a transversal line. So then here X is equals to Z. Then Z is equals to X. Since which type of angles? Same corresponding angles. So one angle should be exterior, one angle should be interior, and same side of the transversal line are called corresponding angles. So these are also corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal when the two lines are parallel. Then Z is equals to, already we got X value is 100 degrees. So in the place of X, you should write 100 degrees. Z value also 100 degrees. Fifth problem. One of the exterior angle of a triangle is 105 degrees. So 105 degrees is an exterior angle of a triangle, and the interior angles are in the ratio 2:5. So that opposite two interior angles are they given as a ratio they given 2:5. Then we have to find out the angles of triangle. So we have to find out the three angles of triangle. So solution, given the exterior angle of triangle, the exterior angle of triangle is 105 degrees, and ratio of two opposite interior angles is equals to 2:5. So we don't know actual angles, we don't know. So let the interior angles, let the opposite interior angles be 2x and 5x say. So we know that the condition of the triangle, exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So sum of two opposite interior angles is equals to exterior angle of triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. So Sum of two opposite interior angles are what? 2x plus 5x. Sum nothing but plus is equals to exterior angle of a triangle is how much? 105 degrees. So 2x plus 5x totally 7x is equals to 105 degrees. Now x is equals to 105 degrees by 7. So now cancellation, 7 ones are 7, remaining 3, 7 5s are 35. So x value we got 15 degrees. Now we have to find out the interior angles. So interior angles. So that is first angle 2x is equals to 2 into 15 degrees. So 15 2s are 30 degrees. Next, second angle is 5x. So is equals to 5 into 15 degrees. So 15 5s are 75 degrees. Now we have to find out the third angle. So sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So in that 180 degrees, subtract these two angles. From 180 degrees, subtract these two angles. Now we will get the third angle. So minus of 30 plus 75. So 180 minus 30 plus 75 how much? 105 degrees. So from 180 105 what means? Remaining 75 degrees. So first angle is 30 degrees, second angle is 75 degrees, third angle is 75 degrees. So let us add these 75 plus 75, how much it will be? 150. 150 plus 30, 180 is equals to 180 degrees. These three angles are triangle. Children, these are the homework problems. First one, in triangle ABC, angle A 30 degrees, angle B is 45 degrees. Then we have to find out the third angle C. Next, second one angle of triangle ABC is 40 degrees. So in the three angles, one angle is 40 degrees. Then other two angles are equal. Then find the measure of each equal angle. So remaining two equal angles we have to find out. Next, third one. The acute angles of a right triangle are in the ratio 2:3. So in right triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. Then remaining two angles are acute angles. That acute angles ratio is 2:3. Then find the angles of triangles. The remaining two acute angles you have to find out. Now fourth one of the exterior angle of a triangle is 125 degrees. And the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. Then we have to find out the angles of triangle. Next, fifth one, the exterior angle is PRS of triangle PQR is 105 degrees. If Q is 70 degrees, find angle P. So the given angle Q is 70 degrees and we have to find out the angle P. Next is angle PRS is greater than angle P or not? We have to justify.